Hello guys, we're here for our update. I told you that I would give you an update about where I am each week for earning a trip to Costa Rica. I love my business. I love all my customers. And sometimes I earn it earlier in the year, and this year it looks like it's going to be down to the wire. So I have until September 30th to earn this trip. I have to earn 40,000 points by then. So let me just flip you around and show you where I am. So last week I had 30,000 points right here at this point. So I've gained to 33,000 and I have 6,000 more to go. So I'm making great progress. A lot of you have signed up for my classes, especially my Christmas card class. And I won't see those sales until September 1st because that's when I can order all of the supplies for those classes. So I'll have a big bump on September 1st. But let me review with you all of the ways that you can help me and get creative on your own. So first of all, you can place an order with me. Online order. I wrote in my email this week about my Costa Rica ordering special. So you can see it there in my email, but I'll tell you if you are, this is something that I'm only doing right now. I'm giving you back way more than usual in special rewards. So when you spend $50, you're going to get a free holiday catalog embellishment plus the sampler for my Halloween sampler, the tutorial for my Halloween sampler. When you spend $75, you're going to get any pack of paper of your choice. And then you'll also get the Halloween sampler. You can see I've been very busy crafting tutorial. And when you spend $75, remember you can unlock that product of the month, which is gorgeous fall shimmery paper. When you spend $100, you'll get $20 in Stampin' rewards back from me. That's on top of your Stampin' rewards that you're going to earn from Stampin' Up. So great special going on right now. Also, when you order this week, it's card class week. So we're doubling up and you're going to get my card class for free. So you'll get, you can come tonight. Text me, make sure I have a spot, but it is at 6:30 tonight or online tomorrow at 1 Central on Paper Made Prettier Facebook. So we're going to make these cute cards. We have 2 fancy folds. This is 1 fancy fold. When it's a sympathy card, I don't call it a fun fold because that just doesn't sound good. But this is my favorite cute little Halloween guy, and he's a little fancy fold as well. So nice, fun cards to make for card class. Also, you can sign up for my series of Christmas card classes. So there's 4 classes in the mix. When you get done, you'll have 32 cards, and you'll, if you do all 4, you'll get a free set of sanding blocks from me. Those are new. But this is the first class made with scalloped Christmas cheer. It's adorable. You will love it. You will need, if you do it to go, you'll need the bundle. And then our second class is with the Neutral Noel. Now, I'm going to recommend that you sign up for both classes now, even though one is like September 6th and one is the last Sunday in September. The reason is on September 1st, I want to order all those materials so that we'll have what we need and the products won't sell out. So I'm ready to order for all the people that have already signed up for my Christmas card classes. So go ahead and sign up for number 1 and number 2. All the signups are in my email. If you can't find something, just message me. They're all in the email. And then lastly is my paper share. So you're going to get this nice handy holder with a 6x12 sheet of 22 different packages of designer paper. So you're going to get a 6x12 sheet of every sheet that are in the 22 packages of paper. That includes this new specialty papers and the Halloween papers and the Christmas papers that came out before the holiday catalog launched. So I'm calling it a mega paper share. Again, all the information is in my email. So I will keep you updated and let you know next Tuesday where I am on this journey to earn my trip. All right, thanks.